Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Brisbane. Qantas would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the airport's land, the Yarragon Turrbal people, and we pay our respects to elders past and present. The time, just on 4:54. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. And as you know, smoking, vaping and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted whilst disembarking or throughout the terminal. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers as baggage may have moved and could fall out. And before you leave, ensure you check your seat and seat bubble for any personal items. If you can reach your phone, you can now turn off flight mode. On behalf of all of us here at Qantas and One World, thank you for choosing to fly with us or visiting Brisbane. We hope you enjoy your stay. And of course, for those returning, welcome home. Wish you a very pleasant evening. On one final note, ladies and gentlemen, we'll also be using stairs for disembarkation tonight. Please ensure you hold the handrail to avoid tripping. Use the designated walkway and please refrain from using electronic devices until you are inside. And of course, if you have any concerns, please use the forward door.